Amigos, welcome back to my channel. For newbies, I'm Jessyrose. So, if you haven't watched my previous video of me unboxing this MacBook, you should definitely watch it first and then come here. So now I'm going to set up and customize everything. I'm going to show whatever I learned over few months. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So I don't think these are necessary for now, so let's keep them aside.
Those are the things we get in the MacBook. So yes, let's open. So right when I open it, it will start opening. So I've watched like tons of videos by now and everything was going to happen. Yes, let's open. Let's open this. It's been like months. So after starting, it will automatically, it will start automatically the voice.
Okay, I have created, now I'm creating my computer account, that's what it says. Honestly, what is it's too much of a process. Let's drink some water, and if you're watching right now, kindly go to get some water.
I hope I get it now. It's going to take forever. Okay, it's setting up my account now for iCloud. Okay, this is actually not that heavy compared to my previous laptop. If you're wondering what I'm going to do with that, it's right over there sitting. I still have it. I have a people bought me that for say 6 to 7 years, I guess. I'm going to throw it away. I'm going to keep it with me. I don't know what I'm sticking in this now. My favorite part. Of having an Apple product is having Siri. Okay, let's do it. And ask Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like?
Now comes my favorite part, touching my Touch ID using, okay, if you don't know already, okay, I didn't tell in my previous video, I guess this is MacBook 13-inch 2020 version, the latest version, and yes, it has Touch ID and Touch Bar, so now I have to set my Touch ID so it will be more useful, so let's do it. Okay, lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. Your Touch ID is ready, yes. Let's do it. Okay, choose your Outlook right now. I guess I like auto because even in my phone it does the same, light mode or dark mode. I like to be both, so I use auto. And then see without true tone. Okay, continue. What is it? I want with true tone. Whenever you're using any kind of devices, kindly do turn this on because it affects your eyes like shit. Like it sucks. So always turn on your true tone. And then next. Oh yes, finally! 2020 model, latest model MacBook 13-inch with M1 chip and Touch ID and Touch Bar. So let's see. So this is my first ever first ever Apple product, so I don't really know everything about it. Let's just see. First thing I want to do is, this is Finder. This is where we can have all the apps and the Launchpad. Here is where all the apps comes in. Apple's App Store, just like your Play Store in your phones, and Safari, Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Reminders, Notes, FaceTime, Message, Maps, Fan Life, To Go, Photos, Preview, Music, Podcasts, TV, Voice Memos, GarageBand. I guess this I'm going to use. I don't know what it is, but iMovie. Yes. From now, I'm going to learn to edit my videos in iMovie. For that sake I bought this MacBook. That's the purpose of me getting this MacBook. And yes, then numbers, I don't know what it is, keynote and pages, stocks, books, dictionary, calculator, home, Siri, machine control, system preference, and in others I have a bunch of other options. Wow, quick time player, text edit, grapher, time machine, font book, chat, stickies, this I need very sure, image capture, voice utility, airport utility, migration assistant, terminal, activity monitor, console, keychain access, system information, automator, script editor, disk utility, boot, camera assistant, digital, color meter, color sync utility, screenshot, Bluetooth, file exchange, or immediate setup, all these apps. Okay, these are the apps I have. This is the dog. I have so much I can see. Okay, about this MacBook, let's see. Because why not? Okay, this is macOS Big Sur. I tried it, like most of them who don't have are getting updating. So yes, this one. And then this is of version 11.2.3, and it's MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020 model. And chip is Apple M1, and memory is 8 GB, and serial number something. It's very big, like not. And then is displays. Built-in Retina display, that's what I needed. It's 30.3 inch and 2516 to 1600 pixels, I guess. I don't know. And the storage is, I have chosen 512 storage, but here it is 500 flash storage, and I have available what? I don't know. Okay, let's move then. macOS resources and macOS resources. macOS helpful user manual support and services. Okay, this is if not Sahoya, then help you with other apps I can close it or minimize. Yes. Then Finder. Okay, file, new window, smart folder, and stuff like that, and edit. So for editing, there are some shortcuts. Okay, the view, there are so many shortcuts. I have to learn all these shortcuts. That would be better. And window, that's it. So I'm going to clear this dock. I don't want all these things. So let's see. Finder, I guess I need it. Launchpad, I need it. Safari, I'm going to download my Google Chrome without that. Messages and mail. Messages, I don't know. And mail, I may set up maps. I need it. Photos, I don't know. FaceTime, I don't have anyone on. Can you see me? Oh yeah, I want it.
Hello amigos, so I have made another complete customization video, so stay tuned for that. So rest of the day I was just trying to find out the options and stuff like that, so I didn't film it, but I have made an complete another video of customization, and also I got some accessories which I will show in my next video, so kindly do stay tuned for that. And if you do like this video, you know the drill, kindly do like this video and comment down what are the other videos you want me to do, and also don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because most of them are watching my videos but not subscribing. So kindly please do subscribe, and also I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay happy, and also stay safe. See you.